I assume 12:01 last Monday, facing chaotic filth like Smoky Mountain in most of our avenues and boulevards in the city. Hindi pa kasama dyan yung mga basura sa kanto ng iskinita at bahay ninyo. And timing, nawala naman yung dalawang kontratista. Now, let us not put blame to one another. Hindi rin sila biniyaran, hindi na rin nila kaya. That's the truth of the matter. And the thing stops there. We move on. We assume, and it became a crisis, at marami pwedeng magkasakit ng mga kababayan natin. So at 2 o'clock, immediately after 12:01, on the same day, we took the responsibility and put things in right order. Sa ngayon, sa awa ng Diyos, I think kayo mismo, dahil marami naman sa inyo dito, taga Maynila, we can honestly say, since Monday, last week, at least, guminhawa na ang ating mga kalsada. Tanong, total mamamayan din naman kayo. Nahakot na ba yung basura ninyo sa kanyang mga lugar? Nahakot na ba? Hindi pa tayo nakakaalpas sa problemang iyon. But 80% at the very least, or 85% of our garbage crisis is resolved already. And I would like to thank our fellow employees in the city government. I hope hindi naman kalabisan sa inyo. Palakpakan natin yung mga taga-DPS, City Engineering, MDRRMO, NTPB. Nagtulong-tulong na po lahat. Utilizing whatever is left, maximizing and utilizing it properly. At siyempre, maraming salamat, Lionel Waste Management.